Rainbow outfits. We all love the rainbow, in color, spirit, and in our clothes. Taking this cue seriously, our favorite actresses are surely crushing heavily on this trend, and we certainly aren't complaining. Dresses, skirts, or bikinis, the color splash is pretty much spread out everywhere. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि हमारे favorite stars ने इस trend को कैसे किया style. The fun and bubbly Sara Ali Khan definitely brought her inner personality to life with this dress. Her bar-dot short dress was a mix of various vibrant prints. This colorful outfit surely stood out and made a style statement. Sara completed her look with brushed open beach wavy hair, an evil eye ring and soft pink makeup. The evergreen and ravishing Karishma Kapoor too got bit by the rainbow bug. Karishma looked her splendid self when she donned a colorful rainbow-hued quad set. Her outfit featured a high boat-neck sleeveless top, which she paired with a matching high-waisted ankle-length pleated skirt. Karishma ने अपना look style किया with a sleek ponytail and pink stilettos. We love it. When out in the day and soaking sunshine, you've got to live it up colorful like a rainbow, and the lovely Alia Bhatt is doing just that. Alia है next हमारे list पर. The highway actress too joined the rainbow trend clan and opted for a summery and colorful strappy short dress. Minimal makeup, hoops, and brushed open hair completed her refreshing look. We are completely in awe of these looks. Which look would you love to try on?